Today, Sharlene and I would like to talk to you about some of our products that we have been working on for Live Transcribe. And so today I wanted to take a step back and help you understand like how do we think about this space.
This is Sharlene, product manager also for Live Transcribe and Amplifier. So broadly speaking, there are two ways that we can access our audios. One is with captioning. That's what Live Transcribe is about, like captioning your real life conversations. And another is through amplification. And in the later slides, I will dive deeper into these two categories.
So I discovered Live Transcribe probably a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and I switched over. I was an Apple user. I no longer I threw that thing in the garbage, and so now I'm using Android, and because of this. And one of the things what made me reach out to you guys about doing a webinar was about a couple months ago I had surgery, and so we're in COVID, right? My wife sometimes helps me communicate, but she couldn't come into the hospital. Everybody's wearing masks. I have to take my hearing aids out. I can't hear a thing. So I was using my live transcribe to communicate with the nurses and the doctors before we went into surgery. And they were all just amazed because nobody had ever heard of it before. And so people were coming at me left and right asking me what I was using to communicate. And so I was just sort of surprised by that. And taking notes. And it was so good. The doctor let me take it straight into the OR until I was out. And then when I woke up, the nurse was holding my phone talking to me. Um, so it's just that good. Sign language is great, and it's a great tool to communicate because you get more from it, really. But not everybody speaks sign language, right? Very few people I need to communicate with do, and so this has just been game changing, especially with COVID and everybody wearing masks because they cannot really breathe. And so, I mean, I'm on it every day, all day.
Thank you.
Thank
That's
you.
a amazing endorsement, and it's great to hear that our project is helping people communicate.